Hello and welcome. Today we will play Feliz Navidad on our ukuleles. For this song we need 3 chords, and that is F, G7, and C. Every time you see a chord listed, give it 4 beats, and I'll give you a few strumming options so that you can find the one that's right at your level. If you're more of a beginner, play or strum downwards on beat 1 and count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, switch. 2, 3, stay on C. Then you would switch back to F. If you can do a little bit more, then give me 4 down strums, 1 for each beat, and a little up strum like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and keep breathing. 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and. Now, if you've experimented with strumming patterns, then do this strumming pattern. Down, down, up, down, up, then switch. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. And I know I have some viewers here who know how to chuck. That's when you add a little percussive sound to your strumming. So if you can chuck, it'll be really nice to add the chuck in the chorus. And it'll sound like this. Tutorials on this channel, so I'll link one down below. Now let's talk about our singing notes. So our first singing note is on the word feliz, and that's a G. I'm playing a low G ukulele, but if you have a high G ukulele, it'll sound like this. You can drop it down, and that'll still work. Our next note in the voice is a C. Feliz, Feliz Navidad. And we will start strumming on dad of Navidad. So Feliz Navidad, 2, 3, 4. Feliz Navidad, 2, 3, 4. Feliz Navidad, próspero año y felicidad. And I'll go into the meaning of the lyrics. But first, let's play through the chord progression. Here we go. 1, 2, start on F. 1, 2, ready. And F. 2, 3, 3, 7. C for Charlie. C for Charlie. Back to F now. G for golf. Charlie. Very nice. Now, we could end the tutorial there, but I think we can add some really nice elements that'll make it sound more fun. So let me show you what I'd like to do. Na, 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 na. So let's do a little bit of an intro with a percussive stop, and no matter your level, you can do this. So if we're going to add an intro, we're going to go through the chords F, G7, C for Charlie, and then on the next C for Charlie, you're going to strum on beat 1 and then stop the strings. And you can stop the strings either with your strumming hand, like you've strummed? Yeah, strummed is the past tense of strum, right? So you strum and stop the strings, or you can use your fretboard hand. So again, it would be C chord, and then strum stop. Feliz Navidad. And it just lays the groundwork for you to come into the lyrics beautifully. So let's try it together. 1, 2, breathe. 1, 2, F, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Feliz Navidad. Let's do that again, just so we can practice it. So it's 4 beats of C and then 1 more beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and then you mute. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, you can do it. 1, 2, ready, F, golf, C for Charlie, strum and stop, Feliz Navidad, keep going, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, próspero año. We're gonna do that strum stop again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad, próspero año y felicidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. Wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Strum stop. Feliz Navidad. Okay, so right there I added something new, and what that was is a left hand mute, but some of you are lefty, so it's a fretboard hand mute. So let me teach you how to do that, and I think that'll be it for the tutorial. So go ahead and play your C chord, and then with your index, middle, and even the ring, if you whatever finger you use for the C chord, you can use them all to stop the strum, but keep the strumming hand going. Now if you're getting this sound, you're holding too tight. It's actually less is more. You want to place your hand as gently as you can to just make sure the strings don't ring. So the strumming pattern that we've been doing for this song is down, down, up, down, up. So you would have a strum on the C chord for just the first down strum. Down, down, up, down, up. And so that'll make it so nice. It's at the end of the phrase. From the bottom, bottom, bottom of my heart. Feliz Navidad. And just doing that lets your listener know that the song hasn't ended yet. You're going to get back into a verse, and that way they can sing with you. Now, if you're liking this tutorial so far, please hit the like button, as that helps these videos perform better and get recommended to more people. So feliz means happy, cheerful, joyful. Feliz, Navidad, nativity, or Merry Christmas. Feliz Navidad. Próspero año, like prosperous new year. Wishing you a prosperous new year. Próspero año y felicidad, and happiness. It's all good words, very nice words. So let's try and put it all together, including those elements of the mute and the strum stops. So let's go from the intro. 1, 2, 1, 2, F, go. You got this. C for Charlie, strum stop. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Próspero año y felicidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Próspero año y felicidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. Wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. Wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. By the way, those rhythm elements are not supposed to be mastered in one day. It's more like you're at the library, you check out a book, you're gonna go home and read it. So take this tutorial in the same way. You're here just checking out books. You're going to spend time with them later. But I do want to mention something about vocal range. So if you notice, this song is a little bit low when we have like Prospero año. Like some of those notes are really low for me. So what I'm going to do is take a capo. And I know that my first two notes are right here, the open G and open C. Feliz. So I'm going to go to like the 3rd fret. Just to be bold with it. Sorry, I could hear my family drop something like glass, and I was just waiting to see if I heard my baby cry. Okay, so I'm going to put the capo on the 3rd fret and pick on those strings. Feliz, feliz. And now I'm going to try singing it from there. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad, próspero año y felicidad. So those notes feel more comfortable. Now let me go to the chorus where we have some higher notes. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. Wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. Wanna comfortable for me. So I'm going to try and play somewhere around there. I might still experiment, maybe drop it a fret or raise it another one just for fun. This is the Ohana Capo. I really like this one. I've had it for years. So I'm going to link it down below in case you are interested. And speaking of linking down below, this is a solid mango wood tenor ukulele from Romero Creations. So I do have a shop, and in my shop normally or mostly I have PDFs that you can buy and download and print and share. But occasionally I do get these collector edition ukuleles that are one of a kind because each wood instrument looks different when it's spalted mango like this. So I'm going to link this one down below because it is just such a gorgeous instrument, and I do package everything myself. So if there's anything you want me to add to the package, let me know. Sometimes I do like a birthday card or something. So let me know, just send me a message. I'm happy to customize any packages and deliveries for you. So let's do one final playthrough of the song and then we'll call it a day. There we go. 1, 2, intro, ready,